A couple on the run for their lives, with people chasing them. I have just described one of the most common storylines in Hindi films. What can then be done to make your film stand out is to make it entertaining. Either a complete thriller, a comedy, or both, but definitely something that makes it seem fresh. Unfortunately, Dhoom Dham isn't able to pull any of it off. Koyal, Yami Gautam Dhar, and Veer Prateek Gandhi meet via an arranged marriage setup. On their wedding night, things are about to get steamy when two men come knocking on their door. They are searching for Charlie, who they suspect is with Veer. The couple somehow stalls them and runs away. Who is Charlie? Why is this meek man Veer, afraid of heights and multiple other things, accused of hiding things? The answers lie in the story ahead. Dhoom Dham, directed by Rishabh Seth, begins on a good note. Yami's transformation from the demure girl to the car racer who can shower abuse at the drop of a hat definitely adds some fun. But it wears off after a point. What's jarring is a monologue she launches into, in the middle of being chased, about how women have to suffer in a patriarchal world. As a standalone piece, it's done well, but it has no place in the screenplay. Why would someone do that when their life is in danger and time is running out? We get it, the adrenaline rush, but please don't do things for the heck of it. Same goes for Prateek's character. Him suffering from phobias is supposed to be funny here, and it initially is. But the makers stretch it until the climax, and you couldn't care less. What the film lacks. The pace of the screenplay is alright, with confusion being the hot word in the story. The entertainment is missing, though. The attempt to include twists is Koyal and Veer. Koyal is not as sweet as the bird, and Veer is not as brave. The irony, are on the run is okay, except, it doesn't take much to put two and two together and know the big revelation much before it actually arrives. Ijaz Khan is fun to watch, as he grapples with confusion himself. Prateek Babbar, in a cameo, doesn't leave much impact. Mukul Chadda, as a cop, does his job well. The good part is the 1 hour and 48 minutes runtime, so things are wrapped up well in time. A bit of work on the editing table to keep the suspense intact would have done wonders. Red herrings are plenty here, but none work for viewer exposed to thrillers from around the world, courtesy OT. Time to go back to the Agatha Christie's, and learn a bit. Dhoom Dham is streaming on Netflix now.